All right, students, here with 9.2 notes. These are going to start with factorials. So the symbol for factorial is the exclamation mark. And what factorial means is it's really a shortcut for multiplication that starts at a number and then you decrease consecutively down until you get to 1. So this actually should be ... not L. So for example, we can use our calculators to calculate factorials, and let's go to the home screen and give a home screen. Okay, so if we look at 4 factorial, so 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So start at a number, decrease down to 1. But there's also a menu item to do factorial. So 4, so I'm doing 4 factorial, that's why I did the 4. Come over to probability, up here, and there's my factorial symbol. 4 factorial, also 24. All right, so now let's try 0 factorial. So the idea, we started a number and we decreased down to 1. Well, 0 is already less than 1, but if we do 0 factorial, we get 1. And this is a definition of factorial. So we define 0 factorial to be 1, and 1 factorial is also 1. We use factorials a lot in the higher level probability calculations. And the thing that's really nice about factorials is that when we have them in fractions, they cancel. So 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So that's the same as 5 times 4 factorial. So I've already calculated the 4 factorial is 24, so I can just do 24 times 5, and I get 120. 12 factorial, that's 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, which is 8 factorial. Divide by 8 factorial, those cancel. And I can just leave my answer as 12 times 11 times 10 times 9. I don't actually need to put that in my calculator. And in fact, it's a lot easier for the person grading, hint, hint, if you leave it like this. All right, we don't know what n is, but n plus 1 is our number. So we start with that. The next number down is going to be n. The next number after that, n minus 1, n minus 2, all the way down to 1. But I can shrink that to n factorial to cancel with the n factorial. So I'm left with just n plus 1. N, that's my starting number. The next one down is n minus 1. The next one down is n minus 2. The next one down would be n minus 3, and so on. But I've got n minus 2 factorial in the denominator to cancel out. So I'm left with just n times n minus 1, or you could expand that to n squared minus n. All right, so that's the idea of factorials. I'm going to come back and do another video for example 2.